Okay, what's up YouTube? I just thought I'd give a quick audio test of my Fisher stv726 tower speakers. They're 110 watt max input. They have 12-inch subwoofers, 4-inch mid-range, and a push-in tweeter. It's not supposed to be, but I bought these for $50. I got two of them. I'll show you the other one over here. Which is a really good deal. This one's all good. That one just had a pushed-in tweeter and a mid-range. But the mid-range I pulled out on the other one with a piece of electrical tape. And these are my brother's Pioneers. They also have 12-inch subwoofers. There's two of them. I don't know, they don't say what model they are or anything on the back. They're older. And here's my Onkyo equalizer. I bought at the exchange for $15 the other day. Works pretty good. And then here's my Onkyo receiver. It's 400 watts, 4 channels. Well, I'm gonna give the audio test, so tell me what you guys think. Comment, subscribe to my videos. Alright, I'm gonna start it. Okay, that probably sounded pretty good. I mean, it goes pretty loud. I only had that just above a quarter of the way, and it can go up pretty loud. It can go all the way to the max, and I had it right up here. But that's about it. I think they're pretty good. And then play my CDs off a Panasonic Blu-ray player. Alright, that's about it. I just thought I'd show you what this sounded like. Alright, subscribe. Bye.